Hello? What you doing? We have Philip over here trying to reverse his brother's.
I want to see it.
Brother's pacifier.
I want to see it, Mama. I want to see it.
Camera.
I want the grandma, Mama. I gotta get that grandma. I gotta get that grandma. Grandma. I want that grandma, Mama.
Why don't you go play with your brother?
Huh?
Go play with your brother. See how they're matching in their clothes? Isn't that so cute? That was totally not even intentional.
I want it, Mama. I want it. I want it. Mom.
I love your baby thighs.
Let me
Careful.
see.
No, you can't play with the camera, but you can play with your brother. Uh-oh. We have a whiny child. Ribs, ribs, baby ribs. Are you gonna smile or what? Hey. Hey, you. Hi. You gonna smile or what? Are you just gonna look at the technology? Huh? Are you gonna be a technology junkie just like your little brother, your big brother? Huh? Did you cut your toes? Tickle, tickle, tickle. A tickle, tickle, tickle. A tickle, tickle, tickle. A tickle, tickle, tickle. You can talk to us? Huh? You can tell us a story? Oh. Oh. What happened? Did you choke down your spit? Huh? I can tell you're moving your body like you want the camera. Okay, we're going to sign off now. Say bye-bye.